Hello dear readers and subscribers. In today's art world, online magazines are an indispensable resource for artists, collectors, galleries and art enthusiasts in general. I know that a lot of artists are following this channel, and if you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe, of course. And I cannot stress enough that it is absolutely essential to stay on top of what is happening in today's art world, to really immerse yourself. And by following these art magazines, for instance, simply on Instagram, you'll have a feed filled with top-notch art. We start with Aesthetica magazine. Aesthetica magazine stands out as a comprehensive destination for art and culture, featuring in-depth articles on art, architecture, photography and also design. With a robust online presence, Aesthetica engages a global audience through its website and social media, offering a rich blend of news, reviews and features on innovative practitioners. Founded in 1925, Apollo is one of the oldest and most respected art magazines, providing monthly coverage of the visual arts from antiquities to contemporary work. Its website offers timely commentary on art world issues, exhibition reviews and guides to major art fairs and events, making it a valuable resource for art news and market insights. Art Forum is renowned for its critical essays and reviews on contemporary visual culture, including film, music, architecture and media. Established in 1962, it remains a leading voice in the art world, with its online platform offering a diverse range of perspectives on cultural trends and significant art movements. Founded in 2017, Artland magazine, the online magazine of the dealer-oriented marketplace, working with over 300 leading galleries, is a dynamic online publication that connects galleries, collectors and art lovers worldwide. As the world's first dedicated 24-hour global art market newswire, Artnet News offers daily updates on the art market, alongside expert commentary and engaging reports. Its team of reporters and editors provides comprehensive coverage of the art world, making it an essential source for the latest art news and trends. Since 1902, Art News has been a trusted source for global art news and market developments. Now a digital-first publication, it delivers up-to-the-minute updates across its website and newsletters, catering to a wide audience with its authoritative coverage of the art world. Established in 1949, Art Review is dedicated to expanding the audience of contemporary art through criticism, reviews and commentary. Its website features a rich array of content including news, opinion pieces and multimedia, engaging over 1 million people monthly through newsletter and social media. Artsy Editorial complements the Artsy marketplace by highlighting exciting artists, identifying market trends and offering insights into collecting art. Its online magazine is a go-to resource for both new and experienced collectors looking to stay informed about the contemporary art scene. Of course, we could not forget our very own online magazine, Contemporary Art Issue. CAI is a hybrid platform combining an online magazine, career advice for artists and a gallery program. It actively contributes to the ongoing canonization of contemporary art and empowers artists with practical information and industry-approved advice, making it a valuable resource for artists and art professionals alike. Founded in 2013, Contemporary Links focuses on Polish and Central European art. Its online magazine and print publications provide curated content on international visual arts, but also design, photography and collecting, supported by a robust educational program. Cura is a leading platform for critical and curatorial practice in contemporary art. Its biannual magazine and online content explore digital culture and contemporary art, complemented by exhibitions and projects that engage with international artists and cultural debates. Emergent magazine serves as a curated capsule of contemporary art, featuring established and emerging artists. Its biannual print and online editions offer readers an intimate glimpse into artists' work, fostering critical dialogue within the contemporary art landscape. Flash Art, established in 1967, offers fresh perspectives on visual art through its quarterly publication. Known for its critical essays, artist profiles and thematic columns, Flash Art remains a key resource for navigating the international art scene. Frieze magazine is part of the world's leading platform for modern and contemporary art, which includes publications, international art fairs and a permanent gallery space. Its website is a definitive resource for contemporary art and culture, featuring news, reviews and artist interviews. High Fructose showcases a diverse array of contemporary, emerging and established artists with a strong online and social media presence. As a result, it reaches a vast audience seeking new and very unique art, making it a significant platform for alternative and genre-bending art. Hyperallergic is a leading voice in contemporary art, offering insightful commentary and round-the-clock news coverage. Founded in 2009, its online platform challenges the art world status quo, providing a forum for diverse perspectives on art and culture. Juxtapos's art and culture magazine connects modern genres with historically recognized art forms, celebrating urban, alternative and underground contemporary art. Its online and print editions cover a wide range of styles, making it a prominent voice in the art community. Established in 2006, Moose magazine explores contemporary culture through feature articles and interviews with key figures in international criticism. Its quarterly publication and online content are essential reading for those engaged with contemporary art and cultural debates. The art newspaper provides unrivaled news and commentary on the international art world, with offices in major cultural hubs. It covers significant events and trends, offering in-depth reviews and insights from prominent figures in the art scene. Extra Online fosters vibrant critical discourse about contemporary art through its journal, website and public events. Its mission to cultivate a deep understanding of contemporary art makes it a valuable resource for artists, writers and art enthusiasts. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Feel free to watch our video on the 10 best landscape painters today next. Support us on Patreon and please consider subscribing to stay posted for more contemporary art. Bye.